Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Lovely Riza. Um, it's already 11:45 in the evening. It's May 1, 2025. Uh, itong ano ko guys, gusto ko sana ito podcast pero kailangan you have an interaction with somebody. But today vlog, gusto ko siyang ihabol kasi it's the birthday of my Papa Rudy, May 1, 2025. So gusto ko lang siyang i-acknowledge at pasalamatan kung bakit uh, I miss my dad and gusto ko lang bigyan siya ng salute guys as a dad. And nung nandito na ako sa Manila guys, every birthday ni Papa, so nag-ano ako ng candle down sa Baclaran guys. So that's what one thing that I could remember my Papa. So ngayon gusto ko siyang ano guys, ibalik tanaw how my dad really is for me personally. So guys, my dad is a great dad for me, although not so perfect, but he's a hero in our nations. So he's a soldier, guys. He's a ranger, and I remember my dad is a loving and who loves to cook food for us, and he's a sweet guys. And during the time that he was in the hospital, guys, I take good care of my daddy. Siguro guys, kung si papa ko nandito pa sa Manila, hindi ako makapunta dito. Kasi, um, daddy wants us to be in our hometown only. That he will try his best na to provide us even tapos na kami. But because I want to explore guys, so yun, napunta ako dito sa Manila at yun, nag-abroad ako. I want to experience, to expand my horizon, guys. So today, I will acknowledge my Papa in heaven. It's been 2013, so it's been 12 years, guys. So I salute my daddy. I love you, Papa. Bless me here in Manila, guys. Papa God. Papa Rudy in heaven, Lord. Whatever happens, alam ko nandiyan ka, you're my angel. I miss my mama. One day soon. Sometimes gusto ko nang umuwi. Gusto ko nang bumalik dun sa amin. So, meron lang akong responsibility dito na tatapusin. Parang, naisip ko lang guys kasi na, parang pagod na din. Parang gusto ko na din na umuwi, gano'n. Kung magbakasyon man ako, magbakasyon na lang ulit, gano'n guys. So, but I'm happy with my work. I still have something to do here in Manila. Whatever happens, meron akong mga exciting na mga darating guys. So, I pray whatever happens. Basta, I give it all to God. Kapag birthday, I know you're in heaven. I love you, Papa. I miss my mama. I miss my brothers and sisters, my pamangkin. Basta gusto ko lang bago ako matulog, Papa. Gusto lang akong mag-ano sa iyo, Papa, na I love you very much. We miss you. And you're my angel now. Please pray for me in my journey. And na coming journey, Papa, ikaw talaga yung bahala na sa akin. Meron akong mga surprising na mangyayari sa August. Ganon. So, ikaw na bahala. At salamat sa work ko. Patuloy na i-guide ako by the power of Papa God. So, thank you. I love you guys. Gusto ko lang i-acknowledge na birthday ng Papa ko ngayon. He's supposed to be 98. Oh, diba? Glory to God. So, patulog na ako. Good night, Mama. Love you guys. Take care always. God bless.